friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today's another fast craft, but before we get started creating this layout here, I wanted to kind of share some of the details since I'll be doing this at whatever time speed it is. This paper line is from Bo Bunny. It's called Tuxedos and Tiaras, and I love it because black and white cardstock is so versatile. With this layout, I used some magical shakers from Lindy's gang, and I really wanted to kind of highlight how that works, which is why I chose this method in the video because it's really fun to see and it is absolutely magical. This one is called Time Travel Teal. I'll put a link in the description for that. And then Prima Marketing Flowers. But black and white lets you work with any color palette you want. I wanted to show you another example. This I also made earlier today with pink. This has more magical shakers, pretty in pink, along with some other flowers and butterflies that I just liked. So whether you're trying to match something to a photo you're using, or you just happen to really like some flowers that have been sitting in your craft closet forever, there are so many great things you can do with black and white cardstock. With this is white gesso. I went over my black paper with Distress Oxide ink on top of my white gesso for this green and kind of teal color on my leaves. How great is this collection? I love it. I'll put a link to this paper collection in my description as well. I've been playing with it. This is my second week in a row working with this Bo Bunny because I love it. But another thing I wanted to draw your attention to is when you're working with any kind of wet paints or ink sprays, sometimes your paper is going to warp a little bit. I tend to go really heavy-handed with my spray bottle when it comes to the these powders. So it does warp my pages. It helps to put another layer of cardstock on the back. In this particular case, because I was doing it for the video, I didn't wait for my top page to fully dry before I glued this other part on. So it's never going to lay perfectly flat. It's okay. I'm fine with it. I kind of embrace mixed media and whatever comes of it. So sometimes it's a surprise. Sometimes things get wrinkled. I don't know. Sometimes you get ink on your flowers. I just roll with it because it's a very organic quality that I like in crafting. But that is my little quick behind the scenes tips for this layout. Check it out. Try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.